Morning guys, it's the 4th of June today, so it is Saturday. We're going to IKEA today. So excited, like I literally can't wait. Get the music going. But we'll be leaving in a minute. So I will update you in the car what we're going to be doing when we're there. See you in a bit. We're off till we're there.
For the last time, 28. Last time said 30, and we ended it here, 28. I had a hot chocolate. You got a hot chocolate? Oh, wait, don't you? We can't make your hot chocolate in the car, can we?
Kristen.
Okay.
Kristen. Hi.
Hey.
We're now at IKEA, we're in an escalator right now. We're going up into the entrance, as you can see behind me, it's the entrance. We're about to go in. I'm not allowed to touch anything because I smashed something in the tunnel, so that was fun. So I will see you guys in a bit. What did you just do?
Open it!
No, the whole thing.
I don't know. Don't even ask me. That's all like, put you up there!
You tired? Pretty successful shop. Clothes there is mine.
You finished it. You finished it.
It's pretty successful shop, I think. We're now on our way home. I'm not Nana. That's Nana. Say hi, Lily. Say hi. We're on our way home now. We're not sure we're going to Dunham later because we're going to get 3 other succulents. They're like cactuses, but they're fake ones. Keep it there. Lily, come on, you keep it then. No, you do not chirp.
No, throw it. Say sorry, don't Emily. Do you want your 100 of those? So you need to be good, don't you?
Chris.
Yeah?
Kristen.
What? No. I'm trying to have fun. You know
we're now on our way home. Mum, we still going to McDonald's? What are you doing, Chris?
your handprint. No.
Ah, okay. I got a lot of stuff, so you're getting another haul. I will actually show you what I got yesterday as well. You'll probably see the thumbnail for yesterday's vlog. That's what I got as well. That's one of the things that I got, but now I get a big rating. So I'm happy. So you're going to see We're going to get McDonald's right now. Can't wait to get that. I love McDonald's. That was a weird face, I'm so sorry. But yeah, we're on our way home, so pretty good. That's shopping free time. We didn't spend loads, but good shop. We got things we needed. So yeah, put on, yeah. Hey guys, recap. Got McDonald's. What did you get, Mum? What did you get, Chris? Oh, yeah. You might want to get your kids' toy in the window.
Don't drop it.
Huh? Shall we do a rendition now? No, that's not.
Hey guys, I got my cute new little setup. I got a lovely chair. I was so happy. And this is my bed. There will be pillowcases on that one, that one, that one, and that one. But they're out for washing right now. But these ones I got today. This throw I already had. But my mum decided to get it out. Then got little cactuses and a candle. Then another cactus and a little like candle holder. Candle holder and my freshener. I'm so happy with my nose is set. It's so cute. And then got my desk organizer and boxes. So then let's see how my whole room looks. It's so cute. I love it. It's so cute. And the most thing I'm like generally in love with right now is this chair that I'm in love with. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. It's been productive, yes. I'm happy about that. So I will update you guys later so that I keep like sibling on this chair. But we are home. We got home. We had McDonald's. The last thing I think you saw was us having McDonald's. Now I'm home. About to see if this vlog has uploaded. I have a very long password, so that's fun. %. Come on, vlog. Upload. Swear it hates me. That's like your new little photo. My lovely chair. I'm so happy. So, see you guys in a bit. Bye. Hey dudes. So I promised you a mini haul, so I'll probably do one for my main channel as well. Don't mind what's on my hands, it's just an episode thing that I'm watching. So let's get on to it. I'm loving this lovely chair right now. But loving it. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pillows. The first one says original adjective. 1, belonging or pertaining to the origin or beginning of something or to a thing as its beginning. 2, new, fresh, inventive, novel. 3, arising or proceeding independently of anything else. 4, capable of or given to thinking or acting in an independent, creative or individual manner. 5, created, undertaken or presented for the first time. That's what the first pillow says. Then it's just a new, just a normal blue pillow, same as that one. It's got like, I don't know what that's called. I'm just gonna call it rectangles for now. Rectangles and triangles in different colours and that. Then this one says home is wherever I'm with you. This one's just a grey, white stripy pillow. This one is you make me happy when skies are grey. I think that's part of a song. Not quite sure. I got this lovely chair. I'm so happy with. Like it's so nice. I had to swivel around with. And I got this white bin because I wanted a different change up to the Betty Boop one I had. So I changed up with that one. Then, right, that's what the swivel chair looks like. It's a nice chair. Then I got these nice little shelves. First one, I got these today. They're actual cacti, but the candle is my mum's, so that's on the first shelf. So I don't know where she got that from, but I got these from IKEA. Got, I think it come back these. Got this one, this one, this one, and this one from Dunelm. This one, and this one from IKEA. Then I got that from IKEA as well. These came in 3, so them 2 and that came as 1. So I got them from IKEA. These shelves I got from Dunelm. They came in at 3. But as you can tell, they're all different sizes. It's fun. The candle thing's my mum. The refresher, I don't know why it came from. I think it came from Tesco's. And then I got a lovely little, another one of the candle things. But I probably won't actually end up like using them for candles because I don't like candles that much. And I also got these little boxes from my mum, so I probably like to store some little things in there. I need to sort out my little organizer. Got a little candle. It's an electric one, so you don't actually have something lit fire-wise in your room. But that's about it. What I got from shopping. It was a lot of fun to do. I had a lot of fun shopping. I feel like my room is much brighter now, so I have a good room now. Yeah, see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, it's 7:14. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm really tired. I know it's really early, but I'm just so tired. It's been a really long day. I had a long drive to IKEA, then a long drive back. Just got all the way to Southampton for it. From Littlehampton to Southampton is quite far, so I'm going to end the vlog here because I'm so tired. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. If you wouldn't mind, go to my main channel and subscribe. Go watch my videos. I know I've only got 2 up, but I promise there will be more soon. So I will see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Peace out. Bye.